Hello everyone, welcome back to Sam's Diecast Showroom. Today we're going to be opening up a 1997 Hot Wheels. I got this at my hobby shop. This is number 16921. It's a fast on track, it says. It is the T-Bird stock car. And this came out in 1990 as an original casting, and it's also known as the 1990 T-Bird. This is from the Quicksilver series, number 404, and I believe it's a plastic on metal car. And I think that's what the whole series is. It's plastic on metal and fast on track cars. There you are. You can read that. Package is damaged a little bit at the bottom. And what collector number is it? I think it was like, let's see, 548. Collector number 548. There's the collector tip there. The entire series. You can see that. Chevy Stalker, Aeroflash, T-Bird stock car, and a Ferrari 308. 1996 copyright. Made in Malaysia. As you can see, the old packaging design. And it's time to get this open. And beautiful open. That's a keeper for card. And it's actually quite heavy, believe it or not. There's some, there you are. It feels heavy, I don't know why, but it just feels heavy. And whoa, those are some cool tampos there. Feels like a very solid and well put together car. That's a very nice one. And that's a very thick metal base, made in Malaysia, copyright 1989. It's got all plastic on the top. Those windows have an interesting pattern to them. I don't think I can see through those. This is very cool. I'm liking this a lot better out of the packaging. Look at that. Those thunderclouds. There's lightning coming out there. Based off a 1990 Thunderbird. It's got the 5-spoke wheels. They spin quite well. And independently too, as you can see. And they spin quite quietly. Kind of disappointed that it's only got metal on the bottom and not on the top. But that means that it's going to be fast racer, and I will probably race it once I get some more similar cars like this. It's a very nice sedan, or sports car, whatever. This is lightning on the side, got some interesting tampos. And this came out in 1997. See, the top is obviously plastic. Hot Wheels logo right there. It's a very nice looking casting, very nice. Metal on the bottom, plastic on the top. I'm just going to give you some nice looks, nice shots of it. The side. Front. And the other side. And the back again. Top. Bottom. It's actually a lot heavier. I have to say, it's a lot heavier than I was expecting it to be. Thank you for tuning in and watching me unbox this 1997 Hot Wheels from the Quicksilver series. And this is a T-Bird stock car, also known as the 1990 T-Bird. They stopped making this casting in 2014. So it's a thing of the past now, this casting. Thank you for tuning in. Subscribe for more. And I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.